How to remove ads on YouTube without premium, and it's totally free. As you can see, there's an ad on the video. To remove it, we will use AdGuard extension. Now open a new tab and search for Chrome Web Store. Click the link, then go to extension. In the search bar, type AdGuard Ad Blocker. Click Add to Chrome and confirm Add extension. Now the extension is installed, go back to YouTube and reload the video. As you can see, the ad is gone. Let's try another video. There you go. Now you can watch without ad interruption. Want more tricks? Follow now.